Hey, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube. Today we're going to be looking at a product called Print Profits, and you can visit my website to learn full details about this at affiliatetube.com. You can also get my free YouTube marketing training course. You can register for free to take that online. And what I'm going to show you today is a little bit about Print Profits inside the members area here, exactly what you're going to get when you purchase this product. Now, Print Profits, what it is it's a product that goes over an entire business model of how to create an online empire by print on demand. And what that is I'm sure you've seen or heard of it before. Jewelry, glassware, apparel, things that you can print on. And then because you're making it yourself, you have your own unique designs. It's going to be unique to you, which means there's not going to be any other competition. And that's what this product or this course teaches you. Print Profits is basically a step-by-step course. It's going to go into detail. And when I say detail, I mean everything you could possibly want to know. Even if you don't know anything about a print-on-demand service, if you don't know how to sell stuff online, make a website, anything, you will be taught everything through this course in this step-by-step video series. And so here on the left-hand side, you're going to see that there's a total of 8 modules, and there's a few bonus modules to go along with it. And then there's going to be some bi-weekly training and some recommended videos to watch as well. But Module 1, if I click on it, it's going to break down and show you every video in Module 1. There's currently 16 videos alone just in Module 1. And you can go through here and you can click on them, and you do not have to go in order. You can skip over them if you want, but I highly recommend, if you've never done anything like this before, to watch every video in order, because there is so much information and these videos are so detailed, taking you step by step how to find the products, how to set up domain names, how to set up an online e-commerce store. And it goes through the process of actually this individual who created this course builds one himself as he's showing you how to do it. So you're going to know, this is what I need to do step by step. And that's what makes this course so great, especially for beginners or people who's not used to doing this kind of marketing online. And so every module goes over something different. So Module 2 is all about designing and creating your own designs and information on copyright and infringement. Module 3 goes over suppliers, Facebook for business, audience research, a lot of stuff on Facebook that I've really never done much with just because I didn't know you could even do it. So Module 3 is pretty impressive. 4 goes over more about ads, advertising. Module 5 is about scaling your business, different ways you can do that. 6 is going to be going over managing your fan page, automated comment moderation, running your business and customer service. And Module 7 is about setting up your funnels to allow you to grow your business with more profit through your sales. And Module 8 is additional ways that you can bring in traffic to your website or your e-commerce store. And a print-on-demand business, one thing that makes this so great is that you don't have inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need anything like that, because a print-on-demand business is simply a business model designed so where you set up an online store, someone comes there and they purchase a product from you. Now that order gets sent directly to a manufacturing company, a lot of those which are here in the US, and they get this order and they print the design and they will send it to the customer. So you're not really handling any of the product yourself. The only thing you're doing is you're managing your e-commerce store and marketing. And those are the two things you're going to be doing more than anything. And also, of course, some customer support. But other than that, if this is a type of business model that you've been looking to get into, something that's easier where you don't have to deal with inventory, then this is it. And Print Profits will show you exactly how to do that. So I do highly recommend this product. I don't know if there's going to be upsells to it or not. I just got what you see here in these courses and these videos. Like I said, they are very detailed. Now, if there's one thing that I wish that they would have done in this video is that they have this intro logo, which is roughly about 10 seconds. And they play it at the beginning and the end of every video. And so as you're going through here, when you hear that, 32 times after, watching these videos and through all these modules, it does kind of get to be a little annoying. But anyways, that's just something minor. But other than that, great product. I highly recommend it. You can get more details on this product by visiting my website, affiliatetube.com. The link that will take you directly to my review on this product is under this video. If you click on it, it'll take you to my website where you can get more information, and you can also register to get my free online course for YouTube marketing. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys, and just a better understanding of what Print Profits is, and if it's something that you want, because it is an expensive course, but then again, it's a training course that teaches you everything you know to build this type of a business model. So you really can't expect to pay less than what they're asking for such training as this. So there you have it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates of other video reviews that I do like this. And good luck with your online ventures.